What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite boy George, and today I'm bringing to you a really cool wallet that you can use. It's really simple, easy to use for beginners, got all the steps you need. I'm going to walk you through it, but before we do that, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, have some fun, and hopefully make some money doing it. So let's get right in. So here we have it, guys. It's simplehold.io. Super cool, easy to get around. I'm going to show you. So at the top we have assets, about the glossary, how it works, FAQ, and for business. Please do your own research. If this YouTube video is not enough, all the links will be down below. Okay, so it's by SimpleSwap. As you can see, we have it for Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Opera, and you can download on the App Store, on the Google Play, and on APKs. So it's a secure crypto wallet. Your path to crypto universe, just like any other wallet, but simplified. You can store, send, receive, swap over 50 currencies, collect and store NFTs, crypto universe, and cross-platform multi-currency wallets. As you can see here, I've got a Mac, so when you click App Store, it'll take you straight there. Once it's open, this is how it's going to go. Hello, it's going to tell you about the wallet, the support that you will get, and everything to do with the analytic data. If you agree to all, please always read it. That's what you've got to do. Welcome to the whole wallet. Do you want to create a new one or restore in the existing wallet? I'm going to edit this, skip through. I'm going to create a new wallet right now and show you what we can do inside. So here it is, guys. This is the wallet when you log in. Now, it's going to come up with Bitcoin and Ethereum straight away, okay? Then what you want to do is whatever coin that you're trying to trade in or you're holding, you want to add them. Now, that's what I'm going to teach you first. The first step is you're going to click add. And if you want to import the address or just generate the address, you can do. If you just click generate, it'll show you like the top, whatever, 60 coins, whatever there is. There is over 200 currency coins on here, okay? So they've got near enough everyone that you're going to want to get into. Unless it's a meme coin that's just coming out, you're going to be pretty sorted. So if I want to put Litecoin on, I'm going to click it. Obviously, put in my password. And what it's going to do is it's going to put Litecoin on my home page. So now you can see if I had any Litecoin in here, it would show up saying I have so much Litecoin. Next one I'm going to show you is how to send and receive. So just to send crypto, click send. If you're sending Bitcoin, for example, you'll click Bitcoin. You will choose how much. So I want to put 20. I don't have enough, obviously. So it's not going to let me progress. But then once you click next, it's going to ask you for the wallet. Now, the wallet address is what you're sending the Bitcoin to, not yours. If you are receiving, so if you want someone to send you, or you're withdrawn from a platform, or you just getting a gift from a friend, you'll click receive and you'll choose, for example, I want to receive Ethereum, and it'll come up with your wallet address. So you'll just copy that and send it to your friend, or they can scan the QR code. Really, really simple, super easy. You've got a history tab. Obviously there's nothing on there, but if I had any history in this wallet, it would show up. Every transaction is tracked. All good. We have a support chat, and look how good this is. You click it once and it's straight into the chat box. Okay, no messing around, no robot, just straight into the chat box. The user reply within 9 minutes, super cool. And we have your settings where you can change your notifications. We have the wallet connect as well, so you can actually connect your different decentralized apps to this. You would just click add connection. It will then come up with the different methods that you want to use. Now guys, one of the coolest thing about this is you do not need to KYC. So if you're from a country that it's quite hard to get into this game, if you're from a country where KYC is just restricting you from having a wallet, you do not need to KYC. Okay, that means you don't need to send ID off. You don't need to register who you are. You can just use this as a Simplehold wallet, like it says. Super, super easy, and it helps globalize this wallet. I wanted to get that straight to you guys. Big points from me about this wallet. You can manage every crypto you can think on there, over 200 of them. If there's ones that you can't get on there, then you'll have to use an outcome source, but I very much doubt there's going to be ones that you're getting into that aren't on there, okay? The majority of people. NFTs, everything you can think of on there. Wallet Connect, they can connect your wallets, everything you need. I showed you how simple it is. Click it, open it, don't need KYC, and your wallet is ready to go. So from me, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.